Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. How are you all? I hope you guys good doing so much well. So moving towards the coin market cap, and we are seeing that the Bitcoin is at the position of the 44.4% and Ethereum is at 15.3%. That is so much low. The dominance of the BTC is getting so much low, and this is the first time in the coin market cap that the coin market is below the $1 trillion, moving towards the 949 trillion dollars. This is so much low as compared to the $1 trillion. This is under $1 trillion. So CMC, we daily review about the CMC, and we're seeing the Bitcoin is at $22,000. That is so much low as compared to the other prices of the Bitcoin. Ethereum is getting at $1,900, which is so much low, and moving towards the other altcoin, and we are seeing the 24 hours coin altcoins are all in the right kind of position, all the showing the right charts over here. And we are seeing this is the one coin that is showing the true USD, that is showing the green right now, and all the coins are in the right kind of chart pattern they are showing. So the only only the OMG network is showing the 110% in the green. Otherwise all the coins are in the red kind of position. Moving towards the fear and greed index, now we are seeing that the market is at 7 position. This is a great time for the investment for the traders, but this is, I guess, so much a kind of a greedy thing that we invest nowadays, because the market is getting on the bottom and it creating wants to create like a bottom. Moving towards the news, the first news is from the Nova Gates says the crypto going through a long-term capital management movement, and but this is the nearing kind of capital management and showing the nearing a bottom, creating the bottom. Like in the 1990s, a war happens that collapsed all the funds. In that the war, the same case with the now other crypto with the Bitcoin. The capital management movement was a hedge fund that collapsed in the 1990. This is the same scenario with the Bitcoin we are seeing, and we have gone to the level that shows to close to the bottom of $21,000, and Bitcoin and Ethereum is at $1,000. That this is a tremendous amount of the capitalization, and usually not a good area to sell, but it doesn't mean that we can't go too low. I think that the micro environment is still pretty challenging out there. And moving towards the next news, and we are seeing that at least two indicators show that the Bitcoin reached at the bottom, and some analysts are saying that the Bitcoin has reached the bottom right now. So it's a cold comfort test for the bulls that the Bitcoin is now reached at the bottom, and the well defined by the jury. And Timmer says that the micro couldn't be the worst right now, so we know it is sticks, but it's some things. This is the chart analysis of the Bitcoin for the bottom creation, and we are seeing that the Bitcoin hits the support at around the $22,000. Maybe a midterm bounce right now over here, but unfortunately the digital gold was not able to reach the upper bottom of the formation. Last time it get close to the lower range of the channel. This is the I guess this is the second tool that analyst in the ABC wave count and the elite waves theory, and the market moves in a certain wave like pattern over here. And unfortunately the backtesting results in the theory that doesn't work on the Bitcoin or the other digital assets. Same with the case with the Shiba Inu. Spikes on the Monday signal potential market for bets, and decentralized exchanges are also seeing the surgeries volume. Analysts from from the Monday have that from the daily DAX volume exchanges have reached the 7 billion from the Monday. Units have gained the lion's share and the spike in the DAX activity, seeing its the daily volume peak at 4.5 billion Monday and up to 137 from the previous days. So this was the Bitcoin price bleeding right now, and 13 joules. It's so much bleeding right now. It minus 16% means we are getting so much higher. The highest trading volume today is reflective market that is reflecting the impact of the Luna, and the Celsius disappointed on remaining the crypto assets. As you can see, many times the surgeries coincides with the short midterm bottoms you are seeing in the chart. So the volume accompanied by the lower prices and and demand at the discount prices from the medium and the long term players. So there is no an academic kind of a coin matrix as the high Celsius language and the DeFi protocol where it had to be loaned. The two outcomes could have found the funds can't immediately available as they are returned and lead to the severe liquidity in the DeFi tokens. And there is so much news about this. The next news is from the four metrics such as the Bitcoin market bottom is near, means that bottom has dropped nearly 70% from the all-time high, and we're seeing that the market bottom is near. Bitcoin could be at $15,000 before the trend reverses. So the Pioneer cryptocurrency has seen a price drop nearly 70% over the last past 7 months, and although the macroeconomic environment remains the bearish, giving the looming uncertainty at the global financial markets, BTC appears to nearly a market bottom. BTC currently showing the 200-week moving average. We could be an initial sign that the trend goes to reverse right now over here. The chain on metric has mostly perfectly timed over every market bounding since 2011, where the substantial decrease in sustaining spending a long-term holders or the old holders and adjusted the dominancy of the 2500 threshold, representing an excellent historical by history over here. So the market sentiments around the bitcoins appears to have shifted from the fear to capitalization after the prices dropped to the $20,000. At this stage, this represents the last stage of the bearish cycle before the market sentiment shifts into the hope to signal the beginning a new bull market right now over here. We are seeing the chart over here, an unrealized profit loss source. The Bitcoin trades between the non-bubble fit regression band and the non-bubble lower regression band at a signal that has marked the market bottom in the previous downtrend, and the prices can drop downward the non-bubble lower regression band like in the March 2020, representing a unique opportunity for the slide line investors to re-enter the market right now over here. So the it remains to be seen that where the Bitcoin is entering a consolidation before. So regardless, the reward to reward ratio appears favorable from looking to that a chance at the time of the market bottom right now we are creating. So moving towards the next kind of article where the Kevin O'Leary says that the panic event is needed before the crypto bottoms. So in the crypto world, we need someone to go to the zero. The hash group discusses that expectations could be the real. Now moving towards the next kind of article is that this is the biggest Bitcoin exchanges in 2018, but potential to $20,000 K bottom created at the bottom right now over here. So major exchanges finishes at $83,000 according to the crypto quant data, the largest inflow since November 30, 2018. On the day, the exchanges recorded at $83,000 on the net inflows. Concerns may not turn whether even more sell side pressure will emerge in the Bitcoin merge over the coming days and the weeks, around a month after the 2018 influx. We are seeing, I think it's a simpler than this, and IMO will find a bottom right now when the micro market stabilizes apart from this. So here is an article: the BTC exchanges that the flus, the CDC, the coin days destroyed indicates old wave deposits right now over here, and Binance US CDC reaches a layer kind of a thing over here, and we are seeing the chart right now over here. The data from the on-day analysis shows the coin glass means that the market has extended the downside bias on the basis of FTX in the recent days. This is the biggest kind of a rate for the Binance right now over here. So moving towards the Binance kind of Binance thing, and moving towards the Bitcoin daily chart, when we are seeing the 1 weekly chart over right now over here, my average volume is from the $21,000 to $17,000. This is the basic point at which the market will move towards. Now we are seeing that the candle has entered, means the buyers are entered in the $21,000 and they have break the bottom. Right now they are moving towards the bottom right now. If the market move towards the downtrend, If the market move towards the $17,000, surely the bottom will be created. If not this happens, now what will happen, we'll see. We'll see, and we will discuss right now over here, and we'll show you guys basic kind of things right now over here. So in the life scenarios, this happens right now. If the market has crossed the $32,000, means if market crosses the $32,000, then the market will move towards the, and then the market, I hopefully the market will move towards the bull trend kind of situation right now. A bold kind of situation. If it crosses the $32,000, this will be the kind of a bottom right now. Also, so it enters in a bull scenarios. This sorry, the diagram has not good so much well. This is the $32,000, and if that is crossed right now, so moving towards the 4 hourly chart, and we are seeing same scenarios right over here, that in the candles we have seen so much green candles over there, and that is this is, and we are seeing the great candles over here, and the candle is at kind of $21,000. So moving toward the 1 daily chart of the Bitcoin, and we are seeing the kind of 3 candles right now over here in the bottom there. I think the market is creating the bottom right now over here. Hopefully see what the market will say. From my suggestion that the market will create the bottom. If not created, then if it crosses the $2,000, that will be the bull kind of environment over here. This was the daily news from the right now over here. I hopefully you like the videos of my channel, the Digital Shahzadi, for my Urdu subscribers. I have the Urdu channel as well as the Crypto Shahzadi, and you have, if you belongs to the crypto community, you have to like, subscribe my channel. You have to hit the bell icon button and the thumb button for the daily update news. Till then, take care, love.